The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has never merely been a car. It has served as a crystal ball, a rolling prophecy of what the rest of the automotive world will look like a decade from now. With the arrival of the latest iteration, the mantra, refined in every detail, is taken to an almost obsessive level of execution. This is a vehicle that doesn't just compete in the luxury segment. It defines the very parameters of what luxury means in a digital, electrified age. From the first glance, the exterior design language of sensual purity has been sharpened, but the true beauty of the new S-Class lies in its heart, the powerhouse beneath the hood that balances explosive performance with a library-quiet demeanor. The 2026 S-Class lineup features a meticulously refined range of powertrains designed to cater to every facet of high-end motoring. For those who demand the classic surge of a combustion engine, the S584 Matic stands as a masterpiece, featuring a 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo engine with an integrated 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup delivers a commanding 503 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, allowing this grand sedan to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in a staggering 4.4 seconds. The EQ Boost technology provides an additional 20 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque for instantaneous takeoffs, smoothing out the stop-start transitions so effectively that the driver barely notices the engine's pulse. For the efficiency-minded executive, the S580e plug-in hybrid offers a revolutionary blend of a 3.0-liter inline-six engine and a powerful electric motor, producing a combined 510 horsepower. With an impressive all-electric range of over 100 kilometers, it allows for silent, emission-free city driving without ever sacrificing the long-distance capability the S-Class is famous for. As you approach, the flush-mounted door handles pop out to greet you like a silent butler, inviting you into what is arguably the most sophisticated cabin ever fitted to a production vehicle. The interior is no longer just a collection of seats. It is a holistic sanctuary. The centerpiece is the newly evolved MBUX system, which now utilizes a zero-layer interface, bringing the most relevant applications to the surface before you even ask. While the AI manages your comfort, the 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission manages the power with such fluidity that gear changes become entirely imperceptible. Combined with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the S-Class ensures that whether you are navigating a rain-slicked mountain pass or cruising the Autobahn, traction and stability remain absolute. The engineering under the skin is further elevated by the e-active body control suspension. By scanning the road surface 1,000 times per second, the car can preemptively adjust each wheel's damping to mitigate potholes or lean into corners to reduce lateral forces. This is complemented by the rear axle steering, which can turn the back wheels up to 10 degrees, giving this massive sedan the agility of a compact car in tight urban environments. Every stitch in the Nappa leather, every millisecond of the active ambient lighting, and every revolution of its electrified heart has been curated for one purpose: to prove that there is no substitute for the three-pointed star. This is the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the ultimate synthesis of mechanical soul and digital intelligence.